When dreaming, you have to allow the girl to grow up and get thicker skin. Don't back her into a corner, cause the bitch will bite the inner being. So daywalker, come on you corn lick a pimp shit cross, walk like thrift shop borrower. Hey. So let's go there. I fuse dust in a blind man's face. Let's go there. I wrote teacher's pet on the kid's face. Can you take me higher to a place where lovers free? Can you take me higher to a place where lovers meet? It's alright because sunrise hates and hurts your eyes, daywalker. I foraged your signature because I was away like the dog and beware the rock while I don't show up around here, partner. So let's go there. Let's make our mistakes. Come on, let's go there. White out in the race. Can you take me higher? I wrote your number on a bathroom stall so everybody could call. Where I can dream. So let's go there. Beware of the dark. Come on, let's go there. Let love lead the way. Alright, so you're right. Ain't got to freaking dress on. Bring out the big guns. With those coconuts you got, don't confuse them with mountains. Some like mountains, some don't. I feel like I'm alive for the very first time. Me higher to a place where I can dream. Can you take me higher? Beam me up, Scotty, I'm ready for my close-up. Can you take me higher to a place where